Good morning students, welcome back to the class. So in the previous video we have started exercise 16.1 and we have done up to question number 9. Today we will be doing the remaining sums from this exercise, that is from question number 10 to 17. Okay, so let's begin with the exercise. Question number 10 and 11 are almost same as question number 9, that's why I am not doing these two questions. I am starting from question number 12. Question number 12 is two crossroads, each of width 5 meter, run at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 70 meter and breadth 45 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 105 per meter square. So I am first drawing the picture here. Rectangular park whose length is 70 meter and breadth is 45 meter, and two roads are there from the middle of the park, and the roads are parallel to the sides of the rectangle, and these two roads are right angle to each other, and the width of these roads are 5 meter 5 meter. Now we will find the area of the road. Now see, you can see this road is in a shape of a rectangle, and also this road is also in a shape of a rectangle. So how can we find out the area of the roads, total area? So if this is a rectangle, the length of this rectangular road is length 45 meter. You can see this is the length of the rectangular road, which is 45 meter, and breadth is 5 meter. So what will be the area of this road? I am just directly writing area of the roads. You can see this is 45 meter and this is 5 meter for this road. So that means what? The area of the road will be length into breadth, 45 into 5, this road, the area of this road. Now we have to add the area of this road plus this road is another rectangular shape. So its length is 70 meter. You can see this is the length of this road, which is 70 meter, and breadth is 5 meter. So 70 into 5, length into breadth. But you can see the middle portion in which the both roads are crossing or intersecting each other, the area is counted twice. Okay, this short area in the middle has been counted twice. So we have to subtract the area of this portion once, because in this area and in this area we have counted this area, middle area, twice. So we will subtract once the area of this short portion. With the area of this short portion, you can see this is 5 meter and this is 5 meter. So this is a square shape. This is a square shape, 5 and 5. So the area of this square will be side into side, means 5 into 5. So we will subtract 5 into 5, that meter square. Now this much meter square is the area of total area of these two roads. So 45 into 5 I am orally multiplying. 5 5 is 25, 2 in hand, 5 4 is 20 plus 2, 22, plus 7 5 is 30 and 0 minus 25. So 225 minus 25, 220 plus 350. Sorry, 225 minus 25, 200 plus 350. So 550 meter square is the area of these two roads. So I hope you understood this one. 550 meter square is the area of the roads. Now another question is asked that also find the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 105 per meter square. So it takes rupees 105 to construct per meter square road. So here 550 meter square. So we will have to multiply 550 with 105 to get the total cost. So therefore the total cost of constructing the road is equals to rupees 105 into 550. Okay, now we will do the multiplication here. 5 5 is 25. Without the 0 I am multiplying. 2, 5, 5, 2, 5. So 5, 7, 7, 5, 0. Another 0 will be there. So rupees 57,750 is the total cost of constructing the roads. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next one, I am doing next question number 14. Question number 14 is find the cost of flooring a room 6.5 meter by 5 meter with square tiles. Okay, what is the meaning of a room of 6.5 meter by 5 meter? That means the length of the room is 6.5 meter and breadth is 5 meter. 6.5 by 5 means length and breadth are given respectively. Okay. With square tiles of side 25 centimeter at the rate of rupees 9.40 per tile. So you all know this type of sums we have done previously also. First we have to find out how many tiles will be needed, and then the cost of one tile, part tile is given. We have to find out the total cost of tiles. So how can we find out how many tiles will be needed? We will find out the area of the room, then we will find out the area of the tiles. So area of the room divided by area of each tile will be the number of tiles required. So first we will find out the area of the room. Area of the room equals to length into breadth that is 6.5 into 5 meter square. 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30 plus 2 32. 32.5 meter square is the area of the room. Now see the okay, first I am finding out the area of each tile, then I will show you. The area of each tile. The tiles are in square shape and each side is 25 centimeter. So its area will be side into side. That means 25 into 25 centimeter square. That means 625 centimeter square. 25 into 25 is 625. Now this is in the unit centimeter square and this one is in the unit meter square. So we will convert any unit to another. We can convert the higher unit to the smaller one. So I am converting meter square to centimeter square. How can we convert meter square to centimeter square? By multiplying 4's 1 then 4 0, 10,000. This much centimeter square. So it will be 3 to 5, then another 3 zeros will be there. 3 to 5 0 0 0 centimeter square. Now the number of tiles required. Therefore the number of tiles needed is equals to the area of the room divided by the area of each tile. That means 3 to 5 000 divided by 6 to 5. Okay, now we will do the cancellation. 5 ones are 5, 5 125 is 625, 5 65, then another 3 zeros. Okay, now again 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 13, then 3 zeros. 5 5s are 25, and here I am writing here next 5 2s are 10, 6 0 0. 5 1s are 5 and here 5 2 0. So how many tiles will be needed? 520 tiles. Since space is not there, I have done the cancellation here. You will have to do here. So 520 tiles are needed to cover the room. Now the cost of each tile is rupees 9.40. So what will be the cost of total 520 tiles? So therefore the total cost of 520 tiles is equals to rupees 520 into 9.40. 520 into 9.40. The cost of each tile is here. So we will now multiply. 94, 52. So here we will put 10 and here we will put 10 and point is after 2 digits, before 2 digits, so point will be here. So it's rupees 4,888. So rupees 4,888 is the total cost of tiling the room. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next next one is question number 15 I am doing. Question number 15 is, the floor of a room is in the shape of a square of side 4.8 meter. Okay, the floor is to be covered with square tiles of perimeter 1.2 meter. Find the cost of covering the floor if each tiles cost rupees 27. Okay, same question here, but here the room is in a square shape and the tiles perimeter is given. So first, similar process, we will find out the perimeter, the area of the room. Area of the room, that is side into side. Side is given as 4.8 meter. So 4.8 into 4.8 meter square. Multiplying here. So it's 23.04 meter square. Okay, 23.04 meter square, the area of the room. Now we will find out the area of each square tile. So now you can see the perimeter of the square tile is given. One side of the square tile. If the perimeter of the square tile is given, then one side of the square tile will be perimeter divided by 4. You all know, so perimeter is given 1.2 meter. So it will be 1.2 divided by 4 meter. So it will be 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter is the length of one side or each side of the square tile. So the area, therefore area of each tile is equals to 0.3 into 0.3 meter square. 0.09 meter square. Okay, 0.09 meter square is the area of each square tile. Now we will find out the number of square tiles. Therefore, the number of tiles needed is equals to the area of the room, which is 23.04, divided by each square tile, which is 0.09. Okay, so now we will do the division, cancellation. Points omitted. 9 to the 18, then remainder will be 3, remainder will be 5, 5 and 0, 9 5s are 45, 5 will be remainder, 9 6 are 54. So 256 is the number of tiles needed. 256 tiles needed. Now the cost of each tile is given. We are going to find out the cost of 256 tiles. So therefore the total cost of 256 tiles is equals to rupees. The cost of one tile is 27. So the cost of 256 tiles will be 256 into 27. So I am here doing the multiplication here. Rupees 6,912. Rupees 6912 is the cost of tiling the room. Okay. So question number 15 is done. Now we will do next question number 16. Question number 16 is, a rectangular plot of land is 50 meter wide. The cost of fencing the plot at the rate of rupees 18 per meter is rupees 4680. Find the length of the plot and the cost of leveling the plot at the rate of 7.6 per meter square. So see, the rectangular plot of land is 50 meter wide, means the breadth is given, and the cost of fencing the plot at a rate of rupees 18 per meter, total cost of fencing the plot is given. Okay, see, the total cost is given and the cost of fencing 1 meter is given. The cost of fencing 1 meter given, total cost given. So how can we find out what is the total perimeter of the plot? The total perimeter of the plot will be total cost divided by cost needed per meter. Okay, so we will write here the perimeter of the plot. You can see the total cost is 4680 and 18 is the rate of or cost of fencing 1 meter. So divided by 18. Now we will do cancellation. 2 9s are 18. Okay. 9 2s are 18. Here I am writing 9 2s are 18. 5 4 9 6 are 54 0. So 260 meter is the is the perimeter of the plot. Now the length of the plot is given. Breadth of the plot is given. We have to find out the length of the plot. So the breadth of the plot is equals to 50 meter. Therefore, the length of the plot is equals to, you know the formula to find out the length of the plot, perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. So perimeter, I am writing the formula here. You will have to write the formula also. Perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. See, space was not there, so I have written minus breadth here. Okay. Writing the formula here. So this is the formula to find out the length. Okay. So perimeter is 260 by 2 minus breadth is 50. So it's 130 minus 50, that is 80 meter is the length of the plot. So 80 meter is the length of the plot. Now it is one question. This is Roman 1. This one is Roman 1 and Roman 2, or you can give here Roman 1. Now Roman 2 is asked the cost of leveling the plot at the rate of rupees 7.6 per meter square. So first we have to find out the area of the plot. The area of the plot is equals to length into breadth meter square. So length is 80, breadth is 50 meter square. So it will be 4000 meter square. Now what is the cost of leveling the plot at a rate of rupees 7.6 per meter square. So the total cost, therefore the total cost of leveling the plot is equals to rupees 7.4 into 4000, rupees 7.4 into 4000, sorry 7.6. So now I am doing the multiplication here. (76 into 4). Then after that 3 zeros. So we will put the point here. So that means rupees, I can write here rupees 30400 is the total cost of leveling the plot. Rupees 30400 is the total cost. Okay, so this is done. Now next one is question number 17. Question number 17 is the area of a rectangular plot is 460 meter square. If the length is 15% more than its breadth, then find the perimeter of the plot. Okay, so we don't know the length and the breadth of the plot, we just know the area of the plot, and one condition is given that the length is 15% more than its breadth. So we can assume that the breadth is x meter. Okay, so let the breadth of the plot is equals to x meter. Therefore, the length of the plot is equals to, length is 15% more. So 15% of x means x into 15 by 100. More means plus x. 15 into x by 100 plus x. So now we will do the cancellation. 5 3 is a 15, 5 20 is a 100. So it's 3x by 20 plus x. That means 23x by 20 meter. That is the length of the plot. Now the area of the plot is given. So what is the formula to find out the area of the plot? According to the question, length into breadth, 23 by x by 23x by 20 into breadth x, that is equals to the area. Area is given here 460 meter square. Okay, so we will find out the value of x. X into x, x square. X square equals to cross multiplication. 460 into 20 will be cross multiplied here. And this 23 is multiplied here. So when we will take it to the right hand side, it will be divided. So 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46 and another 0. So it's 20 into 20. You can see x square equals to 20 into 20. So that means x equals to 20. So the breadth of the rectangle is 20 meter. Therefore, the breadth of the rectangle, of the plot is equals to 20 meter. Therefore, the length, what will be the length of the plot? Length of the plot was 23x by 20. So 23 into x. X means 20 by 20. So 20 cancelled. 23 meter. So the length of the plot is 23 meter and the breadth of the plot is 20 meter. Therefore, the perimeter of the plot is equals to 2 into length into breadth. Length plus breadth. So that means 2 into 23 plus 20 meter is equals to 2 into 43 meter. Okay. So 2 into 43 means 86 meter. So 86 meter is the perimeter of the rectangular plot. I hope this is clear. So this exercise is done. I hope you understood all the sums. Few sums are remaining, that will be your homework. You will have to try those sums by yourself. If you have any problem, then you can call me anytime. Okay. So in the next video we will be doing exercise 16.2. Till the next video, revise all the sums from this exercise. Take care and bye.